Hello class. This video is going to focus on 1.1, which is the geometric system. The goal of the video is I can identify examples of synthetic and analytic geometry. So you're going to open your textbook to page 3 where you will take notes along with this video. And we're going to start off with a couple of definitions. So we have a defined term, and that is a term that has a definition and can be explained using undefined terms and or defined terms. We have axiom or postulate, which you will see a lot of in geometry, and that is a statement that is accepted as true without proof. And then theorem is another word that you'll see a lot in geometry. And a theorem is a statement or conjecture that can be proven true using undefined terms, definitions, and axioms. And we are going to focus on two different types of geometry. So this is on page 5. We have synthetic geometry, and that is the study of geometric figures without the use of coordinates. Synthetic geometry is sometimes called pure geometry or Euclidean geometry. And then we also have analytic geometry, which is the study of geometry using a coordinate system. So what you are used to as graphing. Analytic geometry is sometimes called coordinate geometry or Cartesian geometry. Okay, so this is example 2 on page 6 if you want to write it down. We are going to classify each figure as illustrating synthetic geometry or analytic geometry. And these are actually pretty easy to determine. If it uses a coordinate system or a graph, then it's going to be analytic geometry. If it doesn't, then it's synthetic. So this first picture, we've got a hexagon inside a circle, and that is going to be synthetic geometry. The second picture, we've got a coordinate system, so that is analytic geometry. This third picture also has a coordinate system, so that would be analytic. And this last picture does not have a coordinate system, it's just a triangle, and that would be synthetic geometry. So you should write those down in your textbook. Okay, here's one for you to try on your own. So you're going to pause the video and write down the answers in your textbook. You're going to classify each figure as illustrating synthetic geometry or analytic geometry. When you are done, you can continue the video to check your answers. And here are your answers. If you got any of them incorrect, just change it in your textbook. And that is the end of 1.1a. Don't forget, you need to get at least a 75% on this quiz in order to move on to the practice.